Are you struggling to find the best ways to teach online? You're not alone, and we're here to help. Welcome to Edu Talks, Tips and Tricks for Online Teaching. This is a series of video interviews with educational leaders from all over the world who will share their know-how, they will present some best practices, they will share tips and tricks, and they will show us how to use the online platforms and specific tools for student engagement. A new episode is going to come out every week, and the first one is coming out next week. Do not miss it. Follow us on social media and subscribe for the YouTube channel. My name is Theodora, and I will lead Edu Talks Tips and Tricks for Online Teaching. I'm a professional teacher's coach and trainer. I'm a parent, I'm a teacher for teenagers, and a daughter of a teacher. What I'm truly passionate about in everything I do is engaging in meaningful conversations that matter. So if you are a tutor, online trainer, a learner, an educational manager, or a person engaged in education in any form, subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss the episodes.